चिड़ियों की चहक, फूलों की महक, पत्तों की खनक, माशाअल्लाह की चमक, बिजली की कड़क, पुरनूर फलक, सुबहान अल्लाह। अल्लाह 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 या रब 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 या रब।
बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। अस्सलामुअलैकुम प्यारे बच्चों, वेलकम टू कंजुल ईमान स्कूल टीवी। आओ बच्चों, हम आज का सबक पढ़ते हैं। आप भी मेरे साथ मिलकर पढ़ें। Dear children, today we are going to do the planner of day 30. We are going to start with English, page number 33 and 34. Read the story. New words here: add, tree, water, fish, in, look, zoo, on. Dear children, today we will learn the story. Let's start. Read aloud with me. This is an elephant. The elephant is drinking water. ये एक हाथी है। हाथी क्या करे? हाथी पानी पी रहा है। These are ducks. ये बतखें हैं। The ducks are in the water. बतखें पानी में हैं। This is an alligator. ये एक मगरमच्छ है। These are fish. ये मछलियाँ हैं। The alligator and the fish are in the water. Alligator मगरमच्छ और मछलियाँ are in the water पानी में हैं। The alligator is eating fish in the water. मगरमच्छ पानी में मछलियाँ खा रहा है। These are frogs and turtles. ये कछुए, ये मेंढक और कछुए हैं। The frogs and turtles are in the water. कछुए और मेंढक पानी में हैं। The frog is swimming in the water. मेंढक पानी में तैर रहा है। General knowledge. What do you mean by sea animals? Fish, whale, alligator, tortoise. ऐसे एनिमल्स जो समुंदर में होते हैं, पानी में। These are fish, whale, alligator and tortoise. What do you mean by sea animals? Fish, whale, alligator, tortoise. Name any 5 fruits. Fruits name: apple, mango, grapes, banana, strawberry. Name any 5 birds. Sparrow, parrot, crow, eagle, pigeon. Conversation. When do you take your meal? आप अपना खाना कब लेते हो? Twice a day. What do you want to become in future? I want to become a doctor. आप फ्यूचर में क्या बनना चाहते हो? डॉक्टर. How is the weather outside? It's hot or cold. अगर बाहर सर्दी है तो cold और अगर गर्मी है तो hot. Now let's start reading poem. 10 little fingers. 10 little fingers, 10 little toes, 2 little ears and 1 little nose, 2 little eyes that shine so bright, and 1 little mouth to kiss mother good night. 10 little fingers, 10 little toes, 2 little ears and 1 little nose, 2 little eyes that shine so bright, and 1 little mouth to kiss mother good night. Respected parent, revise page number 17, 21, 24, 27 and 30. Also revise the question of general knowledge, question number 10 to question number 24. Conversation question answer number 10 to 24. Also learn the poem line number 1 to line number 2. Respected teachers, teach it well today with phonics and listen to the children with phonics by tomorrow. Make sure that all the students have learned all the questions today with the loud reading and then listen tomorrow positively. Thank you.
Now let's start the written work. Creative writing. Make sentence with the help of words and pictures. Dear children, we have to make the sentences with the help of these words, like the line, is this big it eating meat. Let's start. This is a line. Line is big. It is eating meat. Dear children, do the homework on the same pattern. Dear parents, listen page number 33 and learn again. Thank you.
चिड़ियों की चहक, फूलों की महक, पत्तों की खनक, माशाअल्लाह की चमक, बिजली की कड़क, पुरनूर फलक, सुबहान अल्लाह। अल्लाहु अल्लाहु अल्लाह।